Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Joel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to show you a virtual tour of a stay where I'm going to stay. It is an amazing property guys which is called Olive Niwasa. I'll be giving you a complete virtual tour. Hope you guys like it. So don't skip. Watch full video so you'll have a complete understanding.
The swimming pool looks so cool. So if you're staying here, you can use the swimming pool. The stay from the outside looks very beautiful. So this is like one of the economical stay that you can stay near Calangute. I'm really happy that I got a standard room for 2,500 for 2 nights. After swimming, you can use these beds. You can lie down here and you can chill. There is also an umbrella if it is sunny. Those wall arts are really giving me a good vibe. So nice. Nighttime it will be so beautiful, I guess. I'll be attaching that video also. The name of the stay is Olive Niwasa, as you can see. And the stay is very close by Calangute and Candolim. Olive Niwasa is having private parking. It's quite spacious for both car and two-wheeler, as you can see. This parking space is available just before the stay. As you can see, this is the entrance. There is a security guard, which seems really secure, like there is a person in the entrance. This is how it looks. Towards the left is the swimming pool. They have lots of plants and trees, which is completely greeny and gives a good vibe. So if you want a peaceful stay near Calangute and Candolim, this place is right for you guys. And it is also reasonably priced. This place seems like a bar. I don't know if they provide food here, but it has a bar setup. You can see the liquors, breezers and all soft drinks. During the night time it might be even more better, like I'll be attaching that video as well. You can see plants everywhere, so it gives me a good vibe. And even in the sunny time it is really cool, since it's always surrounded by these plants and trees. Just we are going to check out some of the room which is available. I'm just trying to upgrade my room. So I'm going to check the other room where I'm not staying, but still if it is good I'll be upgrading. So bro, is this a standard room?
Yes.
Okay, can you turn on the light please? Yeah. Wow. So the room looks really beautiful. Even though it's compact, it's very neat and well maintained. You can see there's a cupboard, a big mirror, and also there's a small plant and a wall art which is really good. And there is also some books they have given, and if you're bored you can use it. It's an air conditioned room. Wow, the toilet looks very spacious and very clean, as you can see. And they've also provided all the toiletries, like you can see here. It's of their own brand, and like a big mirror, which is really good. Everything seems so neat. Thanks bro, thank you.
Yes.
There is also a TV here, and a table and a chair. They have also provided 2 glasses and a set of towels, which is so good. And you also have a pool view. You can open this curtain and you can have a view of this pool. Wow, this room is really nice. There is a sit out area where you can sit and have a coffee or something, which will be really nice. And that is the window from where we have seen this pool. And that is the standard room which I have booked.
So trust me guys, it's just a standard room which I've shown. I've also seen this apartment kind of room which they had a hall and all the furnitures were there, and they had a kitchen also where I can find microwave oven, refrigerators and basic utilities that you can use in kitchen. They had a TV as well. As when I entered this room, it was like a big master bedroom with an attached restroom, and there was a balcony also. Like a couple with a kid and all, they can definitely utilize this apartment kind of room. The time I visited the property, I just saw a family checking out of that particular apartment room. Therefore I couldn't able to show you on the camera, but I just visited the place. I just saw it was like very nice, very spacious and very well maintained.
Guys, after checking into this amazing property, I thought I'll take a look about the streets and what are the shops available. We are in the road which is connecting Candolim and Calangute. Such an amazing place guys. I'll be showing you the supermarket which is very close to this amazing property. It's just very close to the main road. There is also Niwasa Olive, the stay name, which is just pointing towards the street. You can see all this tourist bus. So it's like tourist operators. I think it's Eagle tourist operators or something. So they will book a complete package and they will show the tourists the places around in this North Goa. You can see a beautiful church over there. It is like a junction where you can take right to go to Arpora and left to the Calangute. And there is this amazing supermarket called Newton's. So let's go inside. Everywhere these posters have been available. Tickets available here. Okay, they're having the tickets for the Sunburn Goa 2023. My famous, very famous Timmy Trumpet is performing. He's my favorite as well. Also Hardwell and Charlotte. So the Sunburn Music Festival is happening 28th to 31 of December in Vagator 2023. The supermarket is really huge. I was suggesting you guys in Anjuna, the Oxford Orchid supermarket. They serve, like they have a separate section for the liquor also. Here also in the first floor of Newton's, you'll be having this liquor section. We can buy water bottles like a huge cans if you want to buy. In Newton's it's available. As you can see, all these soft drinks are available here. It's like a huge supermarket called Newton's. So you can also see this liquor hub, which is government approved shop in Calangute. So next to the supermarket you have the shop. It's not that you can't find anywhere. You can also see, no, opposite also you can see this Law and I don't know how to pronounce it, Law and wine store. So you can find wine stores everywhere. It's not that you can see only here, but I'm just giving a glimpse about each and everything around this place. So I just came to buy some water can, which is like 5-liter water can. It's around 65 rupees. So the good thing about the place where I'm staying is like they are providing 2 water bottles per day, so that I can also get another 2 bottles the next day, because I'm staying here for 2 nights. And apart from that, if I'm requiring any water, so I just thought of buying additional like 5-liter water can. Wow guys, it feels like returning back to home. Such a nice place to stay. I would definitely suggest to my friends and family to this place. If they're coming to Candolim or Calangute, if they're staying in this place, they will definitely love this ambience. Wow guys. So another good thing about this place is the owner of this particular stay is staying here only. Like the house is in the ground floor, so like each and everything is properly taken care of. So I feel like really safe and secure here because they have a security guard in the entrance, like I've already shown you guys in the video. There is a cat nicely resting over here. Hi Mr. Meow. Mr. or Miss Meow. Hi. Hey guys, you would have seen the virtual tour of what I've given of the stay where I'm staying, as well as the supermarket which is near to the stay. And now since it's a Christmas time, today is 25th December 2023, so I'll be going to the churches. I'm just planning to go to Old Goa if possible, and meanwhile now I'm planning to go for my lunch. Since it's around like 2:30, I thought I'll go for lunch. I'll just show you around and I'll go to the restaurant and I'll be showing if the food is good or not. Wow, it's like a temple, right? Towards the right? Yes. And a church at the back side, if you can see. Take right. See, as you can see, there is a signboard saying that you should go right to go to Calangute and Baga Beach. It's like the fisherman's culture by Sabut Karkar. Wow guys, look at that building. It's a temple over here. So many shopping options available, and there is some spa, Sukho Thai. And you can see there are n number of restaurants available. This road navigates us towards the beach of Calangute. Anna, like I'm recording video, Anna, please. Not like item, like I'm recording video, man. Seriously, that's something so annoying. Who knows? Like seriously, man, we come to Goa just for having all these things. I wanted to explore as a traveler, and people like these. So guys, I've encountered one guy. He was just coming up to me and saying like if I wanted girls and such things. So it's not like native Goan people. These guys just travel from somewhere and they just spoil the name of Goa. So you guys be careful when someone is approaching you, like they will be saying girls, parties and everything. So be careful when you're in this, especially in the area of Calangute and Baga. If someone is approaching you like girls, party and all, please just avoid. Please, that's what I can say. There are lots of scam that will be happening here, so you should be very careful. So you guys are coming as friends, just enjoy and just be
in the groups and don't just fall for the traps. That's what I can say. I've seen many people, you know, they've been scammed and they have a very terrible trip after that. So it's better to be like, you just come as friends and enjoy the trip and you just leave. So Ajay, did we reach the place? Okay, it's under 100 meters towards the restaurant. So you can see Seven Seas restaurant to your left. There is again a wine shop, Phoenix Wines. And there is a parking towards the left. Yeah, you can see Mana Andhra Ruchulu. It's so crowded, guys. It seems like quite famous here. Ignore my messy hair, like I've been traveling with my helmets. So I've reached this Mana Andhra Ruchulu place. It's quite crowded. I'll show you. It's quite famous over here, I guess. I just parked my two-wheeler here. As you can see, it's quite crowded.
In the morning,
These are the lunch timings and dinner timings. Oh my god, it's very crowded. As you can see, it's quite crowded. We'll have to wait for some time to get inside the restaurant. So the waiting time seems so long, so I thought I'll skip this particular place. And obviously the food seems to be very good over here. That's the reason so many people are there. So we'll go to some other restaurants. I'll be covering you and I'll be updating about the food also there. Hey guys, finally I've reached a restaurant which is my favorite. I'll show you the name. They provide food at a very reasonable price. If you are like traveling on a budget, this place is for you guys. And the quality of the food also will be so good. This is my favorite place in Goa, that too in North Goa. I'll show you the name. The name of the place is like Spice Rack Bar and Restaurant. They serve breakfast, lunch and dinner. The interior also I'll be showing you. I'll be showing the menu as well. This is the two-wheeler parking, and that is the parking area for car. I'll be showing the interiors as well as menu and food. I'll show you the menu, guys. So you just pause and check out if you want to check for the prices. So this is like the liquor session and soft drinks. You can pause the video and check the price. That's all, guys. So yeah, if you feel this particular place is economical, you can visit. The food also will be so good. So guys, I thought of ordering puppet, the fried puppet, which is 50, and I'm going for a economical food which is like veg thali. Dal fry you have with veg mixed curry, curd and 2 chapati, rice and salad. My friend is going for the Goan fish thali, which is very economical, 150, and they provide all these things. And food will be really good if you come try it. So they have mentioned rooms available, and they have also mentioned the contact number. You can contact to this number, and they provide free Wi-Fi. The fish thali is just 150 here. If you guys are looking for a very economical food and at a very reasonable price, and this place is for you guys, and they also provide free Wi-Fi, and which is really fast. If you guys are doing vacation, you can sit here and you can like use the Wi-Fi. They won't be questioning you how long you're staying. They are very friendly and they provide a very good food. If you visit this particular place, do try their food. Guys, see this, it looks so good, right? A full fish, and this is like a fish thali that you can order from this place, and good amount of rice and chapati they have provided with some veg curry. I think it's prawn curry or what, maybe. I'm not trying it, my friend is trying it. Hi Ajay, so what do you feel about the food? It's our favorite place, right? So that is like a small prawns mixed with egg curry, right? They provide two chapatis as well in this particular thali. So let's hear from him. Hey Ajay, say what's the experience?
This food is very good, especially this prawn curry.
And two pappats I've ordered. It is costing 50 rupees. And also they provide two chapatis with each of the thalis. There's also raita and onions. Trust me guys, it's 360 rupees for two people. If I wouldn't order papad, then it will be like 310 rupees, which is very economical, that too in North Goa. So you can't find a place with this price, and the food is also so delicious. So you can come and try for yourself to witness it.
Okay.
Hey, hi.
Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas. Yeah, hi. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Kevin coming January 4th. Kevin and Lee. Oh, yeah. They're staying here.
So guys, he's the owner of this particular place. He's from Andhra Pradesh. The food is so good guys, you should come and try it. And it's not me saying, you have to come and try it and you have to say it.
Hey guys, hope you liked my video and really found it to be interesting. If you really like my videos, do follow my channel by subscribing to it, and I'll be posting lots of travel related videos. In the upcoming video, I'll be showing you this amazing and beautiful churches of Old Goa, which was constructed during 17th century. It will be like a complete virtual tour from Calangute to Old Goa. So do watch that video also. I'll be showing you a beautiful hidden road which will be parallel to Mandovi river. So that will be so beautiful during the sunset. From Old Goa, again I'll be reaching my stay in Calangute. I'll be going through Panjim, so that I'll be showing this Fountainers area which was completely decorated because of Christmas evening. There'll be a very famous church where you can see lots of people visiting, and the complete road will be decorated with lights and lots of tourists can be seen. All these things will be shown in the upcoming videos, so do watch that also. Once again, thanks for watching it. We'll meet in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.